can we take mash that's live in a plant, put it into fermentation, even have the capability of propagating it, and make a real life mimic their commercial fermentations. So the purpose for this is basically to test out our test strains before we launch it commercially. And by doing this, we can really fine tune, we can really dial into the finer things about fermentation, where it's a lot harder in commercial fermentations because of limitations. Another advantage about MAPS, and the reason why it's called a mobile application system, is the fact that we can take it to other facilities.
So the MAP system is a fully self-contained fermentation unit. It allows us to take the plant's mash real time and test strains or test variants of fermentation ingredients without having to freeze it and send it out, which could cause changes in the results. So it allows us to hook right up to the plant, use the plant's mash, same solids, their ingredients, and then we can also use their cleaning supplies when we're done. So it mirrors what the results are inside an actual facility.
The reason why we can move it around, and then also the capability to hook it up into any facility that's out there to test any design. How we would test out our strains, we would identify these facilities running different parameters, different conditions, different corn, different water, and getting the live results immediately. Instead of sending it to the lab 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from there, you get your results. 60 hours after that, you have your results. It's live, you've seen it, we've handled your stress factors. You can use that information and put it in your facility. It's a lot easier for the plants to accept their mash being run in a smaller scale format, live at their facilities, and we can truly take what we've tested here and put it in their commercial fermentation without making much adjustments, because we already optimized it in this unit. So we take the mash from liquefaction and we actually pump it into our system, where we add all our ingredients. We ferment. We can decide if we want to ferment for 50 hours, 60 hours, however we think that parameter needs to be. And then we will, after fermentation, we will actually pump it back to their beer well, where they process it from there. The plant controls the slurry, the liquefaction, gets pumped into MAPS, MAPS process it, ferment it, and we send it to beer well for them to process it. So the plant has a no loss. They get their mash back with alcohol, and it gets deposited back into the beer well, and they process it through distillation, which you cannot do in a lab setup either. Even though your lab scale fermentation is a lot smaller, you just don't have the capabilities of optimizing the way we can optimize here in real life.
One thing I'm really excited about with the MAP system is being able to showcase this, being able to show the industry what we have and what we're capable of doing with this. I'm also excited just to see how we can help bring strains out and continue to grow our business in the industry.
Our partnership with Lallemand began long ago. We've had a very good working relationship with Lallemand since we began the plant in February of 2008. And it's been productive, and MAPS is a successful outcome of that good relationship.
Service is very important to LBDS. One of the things we take pride in is being able to assist the plants in getting the top performance out of our products. And I feel like having this unit, the MAPS unit, being able to take that to the plant and show them the potential of what they can run with our products and show them real time. We can fill it on a Monday, and by Thursday we'll have the results for them, where they don't have to wait and they can see the value we can provide for them.
Well, the question is, what's it been like to work with Lallemand? And it's been a marvelous experience working with Craig and Francois and all of the Lallemand team. Quality and professional since day one, from the alcohol school all the way through. And we're looking forward to a long and successful collaboration.